Essential oils, they're not just for hippies anymore, folks. They're a unique, fun idea as a gift for the holidays, which is why we're including them in this year's gift guide. Some of the benefits include using them to replace household cleaning products that are full of gross, nasty chemicals, using them on your skin. You can use them as a replacement for soap. We actually make our own, and we have for about 8 years now. Not to mention, you can use them to make your house smell nice. Because it can be tricky with, blending oils and learning kind of the science behind that, that's not fun for a gift. So we thought, let's do diffusers, which are a fun way to kind of make your house smell nice, lift the energy in the room versus your typical candle, which been there, done that, right? So with the diffuser, there's a million options out there. I've included one that I've personally used in the link below, along with, if you just go on Amazon, they've got wooden ones and ones like this that are more decorated. So it just depends on who you're shopping for, what their interests are, but they're like $15. So very easy to shop for. Oils, on the other hand, we definitely have a company we recommend. They're called Aromatics International. I've been using them personally for about 8 years now. With oils, you're breathing it in, and it's getting in your lungs, in your system, and so you wouldn't want to just stand there and inhale a bottle of hairspray or something. It's kind of like you might as well be doing that if you get poor quality oils. To kind of clear out the confusion on which brands to purchase, I definitely recommend Aromatics International. They have high quality sourcing. The farms that they go to get the oils is really high quality. It's really affordable. There's a lot of brands out there that say they're high quality and then they charge for that, and I don't think Aromatics International, they're pretty good about it. Some of the oils that I personally use, again, it just depends on the person, and it also depends on different oils for different moods. Like some days I love using peppermint, it's like the best smell in the world. Other days I use eucalyptus, or if I want to just chill out and be a little calm, I'll use lavender. This time of year I have clove bud, which is kind of like that pumpkin spice smell in the air, so you could do that as well. To keep it simple, again, I've linked below Aromatics International. They sell blends, and so based on the type of mood you're going for with your gift, they have ones that help people sleep. They have ones that are more lemony, limey. They have ones that are uplifting, some that purify the air. So it just depends, again, on who you are shopping for. What you will see is when you go to checkout, you can either buy a roller bottle or a 10 milliliter bottle, which would be, I think, about this size. You want to get this one because it doesn't have what they call a carrier oil, which would be like a sunflower oil, jojoba oil. You don't want that if it's being used in a diffuser. You want like the actual just oil blend. So be sure to check that out. And below we've included a million ways that you can save with these guys. They're always running special offers. Again, they're pretty affordable. If you get something that's rare, like a rare oil, it can be really expensive. So if you're getting like a generic, any one of these guys, they're about $10 to $15, so you can't go wrong. So check it out, and happy holidays.